This 2026 Heartland Prowler Lynx 1700BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5 and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Heartland Prowler Lynx 1700BH is 3,010 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.